the first in many Java tutorials. To start off, we have to explain what Java is. Java is a programming language created to make applications and not for web developing like JavaScript, Python, PHP, etc. Now to start off, I'm going to be using Java Eclipse and there'll be a link in the description below. So let's go into our Java Eclipse. Now, when creating a Java project, you need to have a Java project. So to do that, you go to File, New, Project, Java Project, and we're going to name it. Now I'm going to name mine Tuner, and you just go click Finish. Now this creates your Java project. And now if this happens, you just access it by clicking this button here. And here's your Java project. You have your source here. Now, when creating a Java project is created of many classes, as most languages are, but in a different way. When we do this, we have to actually create a class. So you right click on source, go new, and then click class. Now you can name it whatever you want. You can name this Tuner class. And while it creates. Now as you can see here, we've created a Tuner class. And here we have our Tuner package, as it's named after here, and our public, which means that all classes can see this, and the class's name is Tuner. Now, when you create a Java project, you have to start off with one thing. You have to make your public static void main, and then open your normal brackets, capital S, string, and then args, and square brackets. Then to end it off, you put curly brackets, and this is where you place all your information. Now, in this tutorial, I'm not going to go into in detail what all of these mean and how they work. But no matter what Java project you create, this will be the start of it. And when Java looks to run a project, they'll look for this main class. So you can create a million other classes, but if you don't have this main class, nothing will ever run. So now let's start. We're going to create our basic hello world function. So to start that, we're going to go capital S, system, let me get into the right place there. Capital S, system dot out dot print, let's get that back, print line. And now, whenever you end a command that you want to do, you have to end it with a semicolon. That just tells Java that you finished with your, programming that line. And now in this, we're going to add our quotes, and then we're going to type what we want. And we want to say, hello world. And now, this prints it out on the system. Don't believe me? Let's check it out. Okay, that's running. Okay. As you can see here, we have printed hello world. We can change this. Hello world, I am king. Let's run it again. And there you go. Hello world, I am king. Now this is your basic Java, program. Whenever you start programming in a language, you always learn how to print hello world. So let's go over this again one more time. When you create it, you have to create a class. In your class, you need, a class, which is your public class, and then the name of the class. Then you have your method. Now the main method in all Java programs is main. And to start that off, you need to say public, static, and void, with the argument of string args, and then whatever you want to do. Now later I'll go into more detail about what this means, but for now, this is your basic program. Thanks for watching.